Hi, it's Juanita Puddifoot on my morning walk, and I'm drawn to these daisies. You know, it's about when you're walking, particularly in nature. I suppose in a way it's easy to notice things. And I've been noticing, I heard two mothers, young mothers with their children in the prams pushing around the park, and I heard this one woman say to another, "Oh, this is so boring. I'll be glad, when this is all over." And I was thinking, how can you be bored in nature? And that made me think about and ponder on maybe certain people don't understand how to notice things, how to be aware of their environment. So I haven't noticed these daisies. I walk in this area quite a lot, and it's by this beautiful, what they call the Finger Lakes in Bedford Park. And today I've noticed them. Sometimes visually things catch my eye. Sometimes I feel things the only way I could describe it, I feel it in my body, but what I'm aware of, I feel something first in my energy field. So it's like a prod or a stroke in my energy field, and then I look towards that direction, or I feel something in my body. And these sing to me. It's very, in some ways, simple to explain and then difficult to really feel. But it's like I hear in my inner hearing, I hear voices, I hear singing. It's like a choir, or it's like a range of sounds you might hear that create harmony. And they're all reaching up to the sun, the element of the sun. And next to these are these beautiful, beautiful wild roses. I mean, look at that. As most of you know, many years ago I spent about 2 years working with Rose in every form, every ritual, every ceremony. I just wanted to really lose myself in the smell, in the colour, in the vibration. It was quite a wonderful experience. So, as I say, what it's made me realise is that some people don't know how to be aware, how to take notice of their environment, how to find beauty and awe in their environment. So for me, it seems obvious in nature. The wind in the trees, the leaves, the colour, the shape, the sounds of the birds. But maybe it isn't obvious for everybody. Some people are obviously so used to television noise, supermarket noise, going to the gym noise, and they've forgotten or never experienced I mean, it's like I've said to you before, there's the noise of the traffic, but I hear the birds, I hear the wind, I hear the rustle in the grasses, the water moving. So maybe some people need to learn how to be aware of what's in their environment, in nature, be aware, connect with things other than technology, other than the background noise of music, which has its place, but there is music in nature. So what are you aware of today that you weren't aware of yesterday? How do you feel it in your energy? How do you connect with the songs? You know, even in town, the trees, the grasses, the weeds, the stones, they all sing to me. They all are talking or vibrating.